Hello everybody. A video that probably concerns the Gen 3 and 4 Viper. Here we have a 2004 3. I'm in the UK, not in America, and had trouble with the windscreen wipers. The rubber has disintegrated. And I know they're difficult to get in America. They're very, very difficult to get in the UK or other places around the world. Anyway, let me show you what I have done. Well, I'm doing actually. I've only done one so far. Here we are. Here's the Viper wiper with an unusual fitment, which seems to be special to Vipers only. And of course, with old age and sunlight, they fall apart. And I was sent these ones. Apart from the fact they're 16-inch, they're totally wrong. However, Stanley knife, super glue, cut the old wiper off all the way down to the metal. You've got to get right down in there to the metal and clean it all up. Take the wiper out of your useless but new wipers, and you can super glue it on, and there we are. There's one that's been refreshed. So instead of spending $200 or $300 and waiting for ages for something to come from America, plus import duty of course, for a few quid, we're back on the road when it's raining anyway. There we are. It can be done. A bit fiddly, but it can be done. It may help you. Okay, catch you later. Bye.